In this video, I will show you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify store. To do this, go and open up Shopify, and here under Add Apps, just click Add Apps, and then go Shopify App Store. From there, simply go and search for Trustpilot, and then you have a bunch of them. Now the one that I would recommend is called TrustView, so you can see it right here, because most of these other apps are to get Trustpilot reviews, so to collect them and not to display them on your Shopify store. So if you want to display them, I would recommend using TrustView. Now it is a paid app. You also have Trustpilot reviews, which is free, but the ratings are pretty terrible for this one. Now you can see on TrustView, you can just add a banner like this to your Shopify store displaying the overall score. You can highlight certain reviews, and all you need to do is just enter the URL to your Trustpilot page and then click connect. And then from there it's connected, and you can choose which banners and reviews you want to display and where you want to display them. So that's how to add Trustpilot reviews onto your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.